Hey guys, how are yous? Welcome to another episode of B210 and Ben. Today, I'm just out for a cruise this morning down the boat ramp. So hopefully when we leave here, get a catch up, see what Mick's been doing. Not sure what else we'll do from there. I've got to do my manifold gasket. It's fucking popping. Driving me nuts. I can't stand manifold gasket leaks. But I don't know if I'll get to that today. Can you see? Check out my new gimbal thing. It follows me. Whoop! It lost me a bit there. Come back over here now. Grab my glasses. There we go. I'll catch you soon. Let's go see what Mickey's doing. So this is Mick's Crown. She's almost ready to go back on the road. Son, how far are you on the Crown now?
Brakes will grab it a little bit, but I think that might have fixed itself. Problem with the master cylinder because going from drum brakes to disc brakes. I still need that centre bearing, and it was blowing a heap of smoke, but I've put new plugs in and gave it a bit of a flogging, and it seems okay now. I've got to get the headlights and everything working properly. It's been a bit, just little bits and pieces. It seems to be missing on number 6, even after the new plug. So I've got to, haven't had time. I've got to suss that out.
Yeah.
The
Crown and the Cressida, they'll make a nice pair. So and then round here is Mick's new Cressy. Oh man, it's got this mad econometer on there. That's pretty cool. I love all the chrome. It's just way too nice, this thing. These were as hated and ugly as 120Ys in the 90s. And to look at one now, it's like, oh man, what a beast. Still got all its barn fucking dirt. Yeah, I really like this. My first car I ever bought was a brown one. Exactly the same, but automatic. She was a boat. I remember that much. Everything's really nice in here. I love Toyota interiors. They seem to hold up better than most cars. I don't know, maybe they didn't get used quite as much. Look at the red, man. Oh, in the back seat's awesome. Where did you get the light in here, eh? Once you clean these windows. That red interior is awesome.
Yeah, it's nice,
You can see once you let the light in, all the pinkiness comes out of it. It doesn't look so brown.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. This one over here, this is the donor chassis body for the Rat's Nest 180B. So it's really good. No rats in this one. Smells heaps nicer. Round here is the Rat's Nest. It smells pretty good now. Is this like the Tokyo Drift song? When they come up out of the elevator, it's like dun dun dun. You've never seen Tokyo Drift? What?
I think I've seen every other one, but sometime on other aspects.
Yeah, okay.
They're pretty bad, aren't they?
Yeah. So this is a little mini mix working on for, I guess, the Royal Smokehouse and the Royal Cafe. Some free advertising for you. This thing's a beast as well. Yeah, it's nice as. Whoop, see if we can see in there. There we go. Yeah, I'll have to see how I fit.
Sorry?
I'll have to see how I fit in there. It looks pretty cramped. Tyler reckons it's not as bad as a 1200 though.
Yeah, right. Probably similar to the 121.
Yeah, the steering wheel looks a bit closer and the pedals look a bit closer, but yeah. I think,
It feels comfortable enough anyway.
yeah, I think I could make it work, eh? I'm used to little cars. I get in big cars now and I feel really funny in them.
Yeah.
There's like, what is it, a Morris A series?
Yeah.
The
I think so.
single SU.
Yep.
Air-cooled gearbox sump.
Yeah.
So like someone's done a real nice job on the paint and bodywork on this. It's really pretty. And it's so small. Like this comes up to about my hip here. Oh, my hip's about there. Whoop, there. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, it fits nice. And see, I've got the, see how my knees are on the steering wheel like that? Oh, I don't like how the steering wheel moves like that. But, like, yeah, this is awesome. I'd fit in here perfect. Drive no hands, me drink. Don't smoke anymore, but.
Pedals are nice and close together too.
Oh yeah, like crazy close together.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. There's no like moving your feet round to use the pedals, you just like move your toes a little bit. She'd take a little bit of getting used to getting in and out of it, I think, especially if it was on the ground. Like,
Yeah.
that's gonna make that a lot lower. Then I'm gonna be all like. See if you can see the pedals in there.
So you have it over him, hasn't it?
That's the accelerator down here. So there you go, guys. There's a bit of what Mick's had going on. He's got his crown that we've seen earlier, almost ready to go on the road. He's got his new Cressida. It needs an engine and a box, I'm pretty sure. It's going to be an awesome project. The Datsun 180B, it's found a donor car. It's well on its way already just from that. He's got the Mini in there that he is tidying up for a customer. If you're from the Royal Cafe and that, like, yeah, hey, how are you? We love your car. It's awesome. I'll swap you maybe? Probably not. Tomorrow, we'll start showing you what's been going on with the coupe and what's been going on with the panel van too. Both have had a fair bit done. It's been a while since we've had an update on the coupe, and it's been about a week now. The old man's been flat out hammering into this panel van to get him done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You will see me tomorrow.